Welcome back to Gear Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to automatically clear browsing data when closing Opera GX window. For this, first open Opera GX browser on your Windows PC. Then click on this one menu icon in the top left corner. Select settings in the drop down menu. Under Opera GX settings, select this one privacy and security in the left sidebar. On the right, click on this one site settings. Then click on this one additional content settings. Now scroll down to the bottom and click on this one on device site data. Then click on this one option delete data sites have saved to your device when you close all windows. This will automatically clear browsing data when you will close Opera GX window.